Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing reusable elements so animation is fast. Open your art, set document size, and choose a frame rate like 24 FPS. Create key poses on separate layers and name them clearly: character, arm, eye, background. Once done, duplicate each key pose layer to form the first sequence of frames. This gives you a non-destructive workflow. Make sure to align objects with snapping and use groups to keep transforms consistent. These steps remove guesswork before you proceed to motion. Now you handle tweening and timing by creating in-between frames. Convert repeatable elements to clones or symbols so edits propagate. For each new frame layer, apply small, consistent transforms, position, scale, rotation, so motion reads smooth. Aim for 1-3 pixel shifts per frame for subtle moves. Use onion skinning via semi-transparent layers or toggled opacity to compare frames. Once timing feels right, lock completed layers and prepare frames for export by naming To finish, export frames. Reveal one frame per layer and batch export numbered PNGs or select your artboard for sprite sheet export. Then assemble in a timeline app or use FFmpeg to stitch into MP4/GIF. Make sure vector strokes are converted to paths where consistent rasterization is needed. If colors shift or objects disappear, troubleshoot by checking layer order, hidden or locked objects, and export DPI settings. Re-export only the faulty frames after fixing them. This completes the Inkscape to animation workflow with a quick recovery step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.